So hello everyone, mayong hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphi Theater. I am Nix and I am host for today's show. Now our next featured birds are just like any best friends. But sometimes, best friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet our beautiful pair of Macau, Blue and Azul. And today, they will battle it over who's the best in basketball game. Right, this is Azul, and let's wait for Blue. Alright, this right here is Blue. Now before we start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. For the boys, let me hear you cheer for Blue. Say go Blue, go Blue. 13. How about the second number? 16. Now our equation is 13 plus 16. Now before we call in a great mathematician, I'll be shuffling these numbers first.
Ngayon, makatubag budget ka ha? Salamat po.
So the numbers have been shuffled. Let's call in our great mathematician, Snow. So once again, our Moluccan kakatu, Snow.
Tubang naman dyan natin.
Alright, is Snow ready? Alright, Snow, please solve the equation for us. And she picks the first number, number 2. Alright, Snow, complete your answer up to the second number. And there you go. 13 plus 16
Very
equals
good.
to 29. A round of applause for our great mathematician, Snow.
Sana all. Mapapasana all na lang tayo.
Our next two featured birds are different we showed you. They're called the birds of prey or raptors. Raptors means to seize or take by force. Now there are 446 kinds of raptors around the globe, but here in Cebu Ocean Park we have two kinds of raptors. We have a Brahminy kite and a Philippine serpent eagle. Now let's call in our first raptor, our Brahminy kite, Kingdom.
Wala.
The Brahminy kite is known as the Gaston eagles. They are found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, they are called sea eagles, known as Lawis or Dayan region. And there you go for our Brahminy kite, Kingdom. Also guys, if familiar na siya na eagle, that is because mo na siya ang logo sa show ni Kuya Kim na Matang Lawi.
Gamay ka lang music ka, no?
Alright, that is it for our Brahminy kite, Kingdom. Also, in the world of birds of prey, female eagles are larger than males. That is because of their better nesting position and their behavior. Now let's call in a Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy.
Ready.
The Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as Dolores Polosphilus. They are found in the major islands of the Philippines. Now this eagle can be easily distinguished among Philippine serpent eagles by its well-defined spots on their backs and inner wings. As you can see up right there, our trainer cat, is using a block gloves that is to protect our skin from the sharp talons and sharp beak.